In SketchUp, the components are not a simple object, even it has a intelligence in itself. So in this video, I have a very blank slide, but I'll have some I'll use some components that are provided by the SketchUp already, and I'll show you how we can see the intelligence of the component that we have. Here I will use this fence, and you can see it's the part of a fence. And now what I will do, I'll scale this fence. I'll press S, and you can see the active dimensions are now activated. I'll just drag it like this, and I keep dragging it, and when I leave it, you can see the number of vertical components are now been increased. So this is the nature of intelligence SketchUp has, and you can see there the spacing between each vertical components are equal. So it's really helpful for us for making a boundary of a particular thing. And you can see if you want to increase the spacing between these things, you can go under window, and we have this component option, and when we open it, it is showing the pickets. This is the particular thing called pickets, and this is showing the attribute that is spacing. The spacing we can change accordingly. So if I want to change the space, that is 10 inches, and when we hit apply, you can see the spacing between each pickets, that is the vertical members, are increased. And even if you want to decrease this spacing, we'll apply it, and you can see it's almost a very opaque boundary, and it's really looking nice to me. So it's really helpful for us, and let's try with another example. Let's add this shelving unit, basic shelving unit. So right now we have this, and we go into this shelf component option, and we have number of attributes that we can manipulate here. Here we can manipulate the material, depth, height, width, and thickness even. So let's try with material. Now I have number of options that are provided by the manufacturer, like this red, black, and cherry wood. If I click on red and apply it, you can see we have a red bookshelf, and if I want a cherry wood and apply, you can see we have wooden textured shelf. Now we have depth, that is the between two horizontal member, the distance between two horizontal member, and height and width. So I want to manipulate the depth, let's say it's 6 inches, and hit apply. Sorry, the depth was this, the inside it was how inside it was. So you can see it has manipulated by itself, and I want to increase the height to say 60 inches. Let's just double it and apply. Now you can see it has added the number of shelves by itself. So you can see the intelligence nature of this particular component, and the more we go up, the more we can change, manipulate it. Like if it is 90 inches, it is adding shelf to it. Even if we have number of option to change the thickness. If I say 2 centimeter and I hit, so it is 2 centimeter. If I make it 4 centimeter, the thickness is 4 centimeter. So it's quite helpful for us, and we have number of components here which we can see. Now in this particular component, if we go under this component options, so this is a manufacturer component, and we have around its price tag along with it, so we can aware about the thing it will cost when we are going to construct it. So we have a base color, we make yellow, and we can change the base type square or circle, and we can see the tabletop. If we make change the tabletop, the price tag all changes along with it. So I'll make a small, you can see the price already changed with it. And we can change the top of this table, and even table top shape. So you can see this is a perfect table, and it's really looking nice looking table. So I would suggest you to try using the manufacturer build components, where you can find these component options where you can manipulate it according to your need, and it will be helpful for you whenever you are making into detailed modeling, and you can directly manipulate with the attributes, play with the attributes, and you can get what you need. So we have given some here the basic examples, but when you go into more 3D modeling, there are some models that you need, components that you need, but they might not be available here. So try to searching on warehouse and explore the possibilities you can get on the SketchUp. So this is for this lecture. Let's we'll give catching up again in the next lecture. Thank you.